Untitled Chapter for today's video, baby! Some guy in the comment section on one of my last videos really said something that like, man said, now that you got your haircut, you and your girlfriend look 12, or something very disrespectful. And I just want to say to that dude, if you're watching this video, bro, that was clever. Bro, we was rolling. Bro, that was top notch. Now that I shaved my little pubes off my face, I look even more young. So now she look older than me. But for today's video, we got some installs, baby. We got some Auxbeam headlights. We got to unbox this package from my homies, Zip Ties. And then we have a package from Mr. Frank Downstar, aka the Drip God. You know what I mean? So I got some content for you for this video, baby. So the first thing we're gonna get installed is these Auxbeams, baby. These are the T1 series H4s. I like the T1 series because, well, it fits directly into the headlight without, you know, having to get rid of that little spring bracket thing, or like it doesn't clamp in. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Just don't listen to me, okay? Just don't listen. And you already know I got the discount codes for Auxbeam down in the description box below. You know what I mean? And if you want to pick up your own set of Auxbeam headlights for your 97 or 96 or 98 or 99 or 2000 Honda Civic, your bulb should be H4. Don't quote me on that, but it should be. So I got the car moved into the garage to give you guys a direct comparison of when I go from the stocks to the Auxbeams. You guys have probably seen this a million times on many other YouTube channels, but for the sake of a sponsorship, you want to, you know, show people, you know, the difference that a LED bulb compared to a factory stock bulb is different. And that's what we about to do, you know what I mean? So Apple hit turn off the lights, and I'm gonna turn on the lights on the Civic, close the door. Yeah. Now, this is my factory light. It's an H4 stock Honda bulb. I'm pretty sure it's never been replaced, or maybe it has, I don't know. But you guys can see how like dull it really is. It's not really that bright at all. All in all, we finna swap these bad boys out because they're not that bright at all. Like, that's it. That's literally it. Like, she still looks like an unlocked character from Wakanda Chronicles. But, you leaving? I roasted you too hard? Yeah. I gotta roast the niece for the vlog for the one time, So, let's start with the process of getting these Auxbeams installed, playboy. So as you guys can see that, I have everything connected. And now we just attach this piece to this piece, and then this connector right here, plug into that connector, and then we should have a working LED bulb. Here's a quick little comparison of the two. Look how dull that is. And look how bright that is. And the cool thing about these LEDs is they have little fans on them. I can vlog in front of my headlights, bro. That's how amazing this. I can't even see myself, but I know I can vlog, and I got beautiful, 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 beautiful lighting right now. Barely. Let's do the other side. This side is done. It was a pain because I had the power steering pump and all that stuff in the way. Well, not pump, but the reservoir in the way and stuff. But we are good. We should have dual working headlights. Yes, we do, brother. And I'm gonna give you guys a better comparison of the lights at night, how bright they really are, once the sun goes down and everything. But that is not it for this video, baby, because we have, where did I put those packages? One there and one there. My dog peed on it a little bit, so I ain't trying to touch it as much. But this is gonna be basically the feature of today's video. So we're gonna do that one last. Let's unbox this bad boy. Brief introduction of what this package actually is. It's a shipment from Zip Ties. Zip Ties is my longest running sponsor. Like, since I've been doing YouTube, like, I got partnered up with them back in 2016, and 3 years later, we're still going strong, and they still make sure I'm dripped up in their apparel, and I can't thank them enough. Anthony and Phil is my dudes. Jay is my dude. Dude, there's pee all over this goddamn thing. some floor mats. Got some t-shirts right here, but I'm gonna show you guys the floor mats. This right here is one version of their floor mats, and here is the second version of their floor mats. So they have two versions of their floor mats that I received. They actually have three now, which is pretty cool. You can tell the difference between both of them. This one's more like carpet feel. It got the grippy back so it won't slide everywhere. This is more of like, I don't know, seems like polyester or something. It got a grippy back too, but it's not as grippy as this one, because this one got like the stuff coming out of it, like the bristles, I guess that you would call it. Next up, our sponsored clothing. Let's see what we got. But as always, use code Zosh for 15% off your order at Zip Ties Race Supply. Get you some drip. They are the best automotive company in the business when it comes to apparel. There's nobody touching these people. Like, Philip is a mastermind when it comes to designing. Like, there's nobody touching Phil, man. That dude's a beast. If you like any of the shirts I presented to you guys, then be sure to click the link down below and use code Zosh for 15% off your order today. Every day, bro. Every day it rains. But last and the very least of what we got received thus far for the beautiful EJ8 build, we have a package from Mr. Downstar, the Drip God Playboy. So let's get this bad boy unboxed and see what all we got for this bad boy. Peep the ice, bro. Peep the ice, bro. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Oh, we got more ice. We got more ice. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. But wait a minute. We got more ice. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Oh, it's so cold from all this ice. Okay, so before my camera dies and I have to grab a new battery, the first thing in our Downstar lineup to install is upper control arm and strut hardware. So I'm gonna do the upper control arm. This is the upper control arm hardware. It's on both sides, and this is obviously the strut hardware. So easiest thing to do, I think, we're gonna do the strut hardware, and then hopefully be able to do that without, you know, the wheel dropping and all that foolishness, man. I don't want to do that, man. I just want to do it quick and simple. So let's do this bad boy, Playboy. Yeah, 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 yeah. everything that I could do without messing with the grounds, but everything is dripped out, baby. Upper control arm bolts, strut hardware, fender washers, headlight, radiator bracket, AC condenser fan blue bracket, more headlight, more fender, struts, UCA. I even got some drippery on the bracket for the fuel pressure regulator. Well, fuel filter to hold the fuel filter. Even got the AC blinged out, baby. You know what I mean? Just look at it. Oh, looks so much better from stock. Slowly but surely. Make it look all good, you know what I mean? Even though it's just a daily, it's just a daily. Made family from Wakanda. We go to get Wendy's. You want Wendy's? We go to get Wendy's. But as always, thank you, Frank from Downstar, for always supplying me with what I need, baby, to get that drippery for the rippery. Yeah, you know what I mean? This is the valve cover hardware. I'm gonna do this once I need to do a valve cover gasket. So I don't wanna, you know, do it now and then have it leak because, well, yep. Got some leftover V3 hardware, so if I see something on the car that's easily accessible with a 10 mil, your boy's gonna replace it, you know what I mean? Make it look all icy, but man, Ninja Bay looks so good. I love the single cam, man. The single cam is nice. Once I have that billet hardware on the valve cover, it's gonna look even better. So to show you guys better representation of these Auxbeams, check out the lighting. It's really bright. I mean, when you do put in LEDs, it's nice to adjust your headlight housing to lower it a little bit, because mine's like pointing at the sky, sort of. But yeah, man, that's it. And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to bring this video to a close finally. Man, I hated editing this video. I don't know why. Like, it was just painful. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And you leave a like on the video. And you comment, do I really look like Lil Bill? Huge thank you to Auxbeam, Downstar, and Zip Ties. I'll leave links all down in the description box below, along with discount codes for all. I think my Downstar discount code still works, so if it does, hey man, save 10% off. Link down below. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Please don't roast me too hard. Actually, I want to see who got the best roast. Best roast giveaway. You win something. I don't know what it is, but roast me the best way you can, and if, I don't know, just do it.